Kaspa is still one of the best layer 1 crypto that you can get this very time, okay, at a very lower price, below $1. Look at it at 0.1569 right now, and it's going to do very well in the heat of the bull market. And personally, I am betting hard on Kaspa, okay, as a layer 1 crypto in my portfolio, comparing it to coin like ADA, XRP, and other ones. And I will dive right into all of this. And the reason why you need to get Kaspa into your portfolio right now, remember Kaspa use a different technology altogether. Dog right here is coming all the way back to the downside. This in-depth analysis and many more in this very video. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Very importantly, let me start with dogs. Dogs have been going down as expected because I was looking at the market moving down and then pump upward. So this very first move and the market come back down, we always see this kind of movement in the market. So after the first move, market will move all the way upward and then come back to the downside before it will move again. This movement is the last move always in the market before that very dump is going to come in, which is what we are seeing right now. So still expect this market to come back to the downside. If you look at the 1-day chart, you will see something a little bit different from what we're seeing right now on the 4-hour. So if you look at this, you know that market is still going to come back to the downside, and that is what we are seeing right now. So going back to the 4-hour chart, you will see that this market have high capacity of still moving all the way to the downside because market have crossed this very level where the market paused in the past. Okay, so from here market come back down, break it with this very candle, and then right now it retests at this very point. Okay, so it retests here, market is still going to move downward. So dogs all the way to the downside. So what I am expecting right now is a pause within certain levels, but we can find out the level with the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is very important. So if you come right here and pick the Fib retracement tool and you drop from where the market started right here, okay, that's a listing price, all the way to the close of the candle, not the high. Okay, so we have the high right here at this very price level of 0.00178. okay, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm looking at this very close right here because that is where price stay for some time on the 4-hour chart. So if you drop from here to this very area, we have this very movement on the chart and the market is coming back down. Notice that the market have touched the 0.5 level on the Fibonacci, which is the 50% move from here all the way to this very area. Market dropped 50% already. I am looking at the drop to come back down a little bit into the golden pocket region at this very area. So look at the market moving down a little bit to the downside. So from where the market is right now, expect the market to come back to the downside into this very area of 0.618. This is what I am personally expecting. So this very zone will be the nice place to accumulate more dogs from if you want to do day trading on dogs. Right here will be the nice area. And I'm also going to update you on the very time to take that very trade, because even when the market come back down into this very area, you have to look at some confirmation parameters to be very sure 90 to 80% of the time that the market is going to from here move all the way upward. Nevertheless, if that did not happen, markets still have capacity of moving all the way to the downside to this very area of 0.786. So this is what we must have to look out for now on dogs. So market is still going to dump all the way to the downside on dogs. Okay, and this is my own personal expectation right now in the market. If you are a dog holder, there is no problem. Market is still going to pump to the upside, but this very dump is necessary because the market pump all the way from here, okay, to the upside from this very area where the market started from. So a good retracement is required, and then after that retracement, market is going to then move upward. This is very important, and it happened mostly on newly listed coins or token. If you look at the price of Notcoin, this exact same thing happened on Notcoin already in the market, and that is exact same thing we are seeing right now on the price of dog. So market is still going to pump all the way to the upside in the heat of the bull run. So if you are holding your dogs for a long time or a long period, there is no problem or panicking that the market is going to dump all the way to the downside. Even though the market dump all the way to the downside, it's still going to pump all the way upward. So pay attention and monitor the way the market move upward. And if you want to buy more dogs, I prefer you wait for the market to dump more so that you buy at lower prices. And this is what you have to pay attention to right now on the price of dog. And this very technical analysis is very, very important. And if you look at Kaspa, Kaspa is one of the best layer 1 crypto that any person can get right now into his or her portfolio. I already have some Kaspa in my portfolio, and I am going to buy more Kaspa. If there is any layer 1 crypto that I'm going to stack more into my portfolio, is Kaspa when it comes to layer 1. Okay, when it comes to meme coin, I have some other cool meme coin that I've been talking about on this channel. I am not talking about meme coin in this very video. I'm looking at Kaspa to be very specific, because it's that very number 1 layer 1 crypto that I am holding and betting hard on in this very bull market. So the best time to buy is right now when it is still below $1, because above $1 will be a little bit expensive to get it into your portfolio at lower prices. So get some Kaspa right now into your portfolio. Look at what happened on Kaspa in the past right here. You see this very deep right now, and market have a very severe rejection to the upside, and since then market have not crossed this very level of important support. Kaspa is still maintaining strength within this very level of important support and this very area of very critical resistance, which means this market or this very coin have a very strong fundamentals, and it means that price is going to pump hard to the upside very, very soon. So the best time to get right in and get some Kaspa into your portfolio is right now at this very price below $1, so that at $1 you should be in profit already, and in the heat of the bull market in 2025 you should be in massive profit. So expect Kaspa to begin to move to the upside very, very soon. But before that happens, I am looking at Kaspa going down a little bit. So from this very area where the market is right now, market is still going to move down a little bit. Okay, a cross below this level of support would mean that the market is going to go a little bit downward, not going below this very area where we see rejection from in the past, right at this very price level of 0.123. I am not expecting the market to dump all the way to this very point, but market have capacity of coming back down a little bit, just like we are seeing right now on the chart. So the best thing to do if you want to invest in Kaspa is to start buying right now from where the market is right now. As the market keep going down, you keep buying, so that when the market move upward, you should already be in little profit, and then in the heat of the bull market in 2025 you should be in massive profit. And then you have to understand that Kaspa is one of those crypto that you can find right now, aside BNB and Ethereum, that have done 85,000%, okay, since it was launched or listed in the market. This is crazy, guys, and this means that it's going to do very, very well in the heat of the bull market. So the KRC20 protocol is going to be a very massive chain in 2025. So pay attention and get some Kaspa into your portfolio right now. Is going to be massive. So if you get a $500 right now, buy Kaspa from this very area, or if you have $20, you can still buy $50, you can still buy. But what that means is it's not bad to put a $20 right in, or 50, $100 as the case may be. So buy some Kaspa right now into your portfolio and wait for that aggressive pump in the heat of the bull market. This is very important right now. Expect dogs to still continue this movement downward, while Kaspa is best to buy right now. If you want to get some Kaspa into your portfolio, these are the exchanges. You can get it right now: Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexi, BitGet, and the rest of them right here. So get some Kaspa right now and wait for that aggressive pump to come into the market from this very region of support where the market is right now, all the way to the upside. So expect the market to start recovering before the end of this month and into October, and then aggressive pump is going to come in later part of this very year. Please support this channel by leaving a like to this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. If you're not registered with Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, check the description of this very video. You see a link and do a registration with the links down below. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.